And the topics covered are Introduction to Framework, why WordPress and its benefits, Site build with WordPress, installing and upgrading WordPress, installing themes, installing plugins, working with dashboard and settings. So here we have learning WordPress theory concept, introduction to WordPress. So what is CMS? A content management system allows publishing, editing, modifying content as well as site maintenance from a central page. It provides a collection of procedures used to manage workflow in a collaborative environment. These procedures can be manual or computer based. Features of CMS allow for a large number of people to share and contribute to stored data, control access to database on user role, facilitate storage and retrieval of data. It will allows us to storage and retrieving the data on creating a dynamic website, control data validity and compliance, reduce duplicate inputs, simplify report writing. CMS makes content organization and publishing very simple. With CMS you can easily schedule when your content will be published online. So you can manage your website or your CMS published online. Set permissions for a file in order to control access. Allows you to edit web page using text editor even if you don't have any knowledge of HTML. In WordPress, as you know, we can manage dynamically when your website is published. We can maintain our website by editing and publishing or creating a new pages or posts. Plugins and add-ons are another great features of content management system. These programs interact with the content management software to create another level of interactive on a site. For example, you need some functionalities, so for that we have plugins or can say add-ons which are added functionality of your website, which can allows you to modify your functionality or create a new functionality of your website by installing the ready-made or paid plugins. SEO friendly URLs which are the permalinks, modular and extensible. Full template supports for unlimited looks without changing a line of content. By this you can install or download multiple themes and apply for website look and feel. Easily visit by install and upgrade procedures. Admin panel with multiple language support. Admin panel supports more than 88 languages. Content hierarchy with unlimited depth and size. Integrated audit logs. It defines as nearly anything: documents, movies, text, procedures, phone numbers, etc. What you see is what you see concept. Here you can see here editor program is one of the developer to see what the end result will look like while the interface or document is being created. When you are creating a document, you can see exactly what users will going to see. So this is the what you see is what you get is an acronym, as I say. Editor can be contest with more and more traditional editors required to develop enter descriptive codes and do not permit an intermediate way to see the results on the markups. Here is the details of what you see is go to get HTML editor. See here, no expertise is needed in HTML or CSS to use content management system developed with which you will be able to add, delete or modify content on your website. WordPress is a free and open source blogging tool and content management system based on PHP and MySQL, which runs as a web hosting service. WordPress is one of the most popular open source CMS with global and vibrant user, developer and support communities. Features include a plugin architecture and a template system. WordPress is used by more than 18.9% of top 10 million websites. WordPress is the most popular blogging system in use on web at more than 60 million websites, which is a high ratio. WordPress is popular on open source web page publishing tool that can be used on public basic website creation. It comes in two forms: downloadable and hostable version of WordPress.org and WordPress.com. You can create directly in WordPress.com by creating a simple sign up account. One of the many PHP MySQL content management systems that allows content editor to use web interface to maintain their sites instead of editing and uploading HTML files to a server. As I say, you can manage your website dynamically while your website is running onto the server. WordPress began as a blogging tool, but early on the developer added pages as a separate content type. This is the history of WordPress. WordPress first appeared in 2003, joint upon between Matt Mulvaney and Mike Little to create a fork of B2. Latest stable version of WordPress is 4.0. You can find the latest version of WordPress on wordpress.org website. Features of WordPress: simplicity and flexibility. See, here is the description. It will allows to create a photo blog, business website with easily by, as I told you, with huge support of free themes and extended plugins with added functionalities. Publish with ease. As I say, you can create, manage, edit your web page or post and easily publish on the only one button click. User management. In the website, you can manage the user. There are several rows: subscriber, editor, admin, and etc. Media management. It will allow you to create music files, PDFs, images, and alter tags, captions, titles in galleries for the images. Full standards and compliance. It is every piece of WordPress generates code in full compliance with the standards set by W3C. Easy theme system. You can download easily and apply easily your themes in WordPress. Extended with plugins. As I told you, as per your requirement, you can create or download paid or free plugins and apply in your WordPress theme. Built-in comments. It will allow user to comment. Search engine optimize. SEO is the thing. You cannot refer website without SEO or find website. WordPress offers fine-grained SEO control and SEO plugin to provide SEO for a website. Multilingual. As I told you, there are more than 70 languages. Easy installation and upgrade. See, it is open source, so there is a big community which will be handled, or you can find the source code. Advantages of WordPress: easy to use, community, easy to set up. As I created in previous tutorial, in less than 3 minutes you can install WordPress. If you don't know, you can prefer my previous tutorials. Plugins, templates, menu management, non-standard fields. You can create a custom fields. Disadvantage of WordPress: modification requires of knowledge of PHP. For example, by default, each post has its creation date, author. If you want to remove that portion in your page, you need a required knowledge of PHP. Plugins and efficiency. More you plugin use, website performance is going to down because it modifies your functions.php in convenient manner. PHP security, tables and graphics formatting, SQL queries. It is difficult to generate the queries, complex queries. Site builds with WordPress. Personal blogs, blog networks, social networks, college and universities websites, small business websites. So, how to install WordPress on theory concept. WordPress, you know all these things. Here is the system requirements: PHP 4.3 or greater, MySQL 4.0 or greater. Install WordPress manually. Download and save the latest version of WordPress from the following link. This is the link, wordpress.org. You can find the latest version of stable WordPress here. Extract the content of zip file. In the zip file, which will step 1 htdocs folder in the XAMPP, If zip file is extracted properly, there should be a new directory called WordPress within the /them/htdocs directory. Create database in MySQL. Go to the XAMPP main page by open browser and entering the following URL: http://localhost/XAMPP. It will showing you the left hand side php myadmin lower bottom. Create a database name WordPress or as you want to give. Step 4. Edit wp-config.php when you installed in XAMPP folder. Here is the path XAMPP/htdocs/WordPress. You will find over here wp-config.php. You have to rename wp-config sample to wp-config.php. So here is the code. Here you have to replace your database name. Here you have to use your username if you have changed. If you don't change, by default it is root, and by default password is blank, and the host is localhost, and run the install script. As you know, in previous tutorial we have installing WordPress by accessing wp admin page. It will automatically give a login install page. Upgrading WordPress. WordPress can upgrade itself automatically, or you can download the files and upload them to the web server. Automatic upgradation. When a new version of WordPress is available, banner message is displayed over on every administrator screen. The banner announcement include a link to upgrade automatically. Follow it and it will be taken to the core upgrade screen. Moving to the WordPress site. Step 1, as you know, download files from the server. Make you have complete copy of wp-config.php and .htaccess file and your wp content directory. Step 2, export your database. Step 3, put your old site into maintenance mode so your visitor can continue to submit comments and trackbacks to your old database. Edit your wp-config.php. Change the database connection setting to the corresponding values of your new server. Step 5. Upload your files, including the modified wp-config.php to your web server. Step 6. Support database backup you made in step 2. Your database on your new server using your new web host controls panel tools. Log into your WordPress site is a new location. For example, whatever your site name is, facebook.com/wp-admin, anything. Step 4. If you change your site's URL, your posts and pages probably contain many hard-coded paths to your uploaded media files. Use the search and replace plugin to find these new URLs. Working with dashboard. Dashboard is the main administration screen of a website for a network of a site. It is summarize information about the site or network and also external information in one or more widgets. Dashboard user can enable, disable and move around. You are going to see. To access WordPress dashboard, it is need to first log into WordPress site. WordPress dashboard allow to control all the behind the scenes details of managing the site. The left-hand navigation menu provides link to all WordPress administration with the sub-menu displayed on hover, as we are going to see. One can minimize this menu icon strips, and this is a just theory I am going to show you. See, here is our dashboard. When you hover your menu, it will showing you the sub-menus. These are the settings. This is the dashboard. Dashboard has 5 widgets. You can see this is a screen options. This is dashboard, welcome to WordPress. This is new welcome screen at a glance, quick draft, WordPress news, activity. This will be you will find in this is the when you are logging, this is the path of your WordPress. Here you can visit the site As we know, previously we have just created HTML theme to the WordPress theme. If you don't know, you can prefer my previous tutorials. And this is the, if there is any update, it will showing you over here. See over here, I have used the 3.9 version of WordPress, so it will going to show an update version of WordPress is available 4.0.1. You can update now or download and manually install it. This is the plugins update. Here you can find over here. This is our website we have created, and I have just applied to the original theme. So this is the dashboard and all the things. Here it is the admin panel. As I told you, there is a dashboard, 5 widgets. At a glance, activity, quick draft, WordPress news and welcome. As we have seen, default dashboard widgets are at a glance. At a glance module provides a summary of the number of posts, pages, comments on a site. A state at the bottom of this module tells about the WordPress version running on the current theme activated on a site. Activity shows the upcoming schedules, post, recently post comments, and you can moderate them onto this activity widget. A list of most recent comments on your blog is detailed in this module. You can approve or unapprove, or you can also use the delete or mark as a spam. There is options are available. There is a quick draft module, allowed to quickly and easily write a new draft. Enter a post title, insert, you can upload or insert media, enter the post content, add tags. Tags are work as keywords in term of WordPress, and click the publish button or click the save draft button. WordPress news, it will going to show you news about the WordPress from the official website WordPress blog. And the welcome. The welcome module shows the links of some of the most common tasks when setting up a new website. When you are new to WordPress, it will showing you to how to learn. See, it will showing you the customize your site, add an about page, view your website, manage widget or menus, turn on or off commands, and etc. You can also here dismiss it. Here it is the screen options. You can remove this at a glance. See, it is removed. See over here at a glance, here it is. When you uncheck, it is removed. These are the 5 by default screen options. You can, here is the help available, which will be allows you to know about the WordPress dashboard, navigation, layout, content, tips and support forums. Here is the your admin panel profile. You can, as I say, you can write title, content and save draft. WordPress news, because currently not connected to internet. See, it is showing you the get version 4.0.1 because I am not using the current version of WordPress. At a glance, showing you the post, comments, pages, how many you have implemented. See, there is a recent activities. I have published my post, so it will showing you the, here it is approve, unapprove, reply, edit, spam or trash for the comments. Here it is the about the WordPress. You can directly redirect to it. Here it will showing you the how many updates are available. You can create a new post, media, page, user over here. These are the comments on comment bubble. These too many things we have shown. These are the posts. Here you can see how many posts you have created, or you can add new posts, categories, tags over here. See, I have created 2 new posts in previous tutorial. If you don't know, you can prefer. Here is the media library. It will showing the media library, which images and all that you have used. See over here. See, it will showing you the WordPress 4.0 is available. Please update now on each and every pages. when you are not running the current updated version of WordPress. Here is the media. You can add here new media. Here is the pages. I have no created pages. Here is the themes. There is a by default, this is the sample page. You can edit, quick edit. Let's say Sweven developers, subscribe me. You can update over here. This is the page orders. You can prefer. This is the plugins, appearance, themes, customize, widgets, menus, header, background, editor, all the options available over here. You can explore. See, this is the dashboard. You can manage themes over here. Just one click you can activate your theme or change your themes. Here you can users, you can create users, and these are the settings of your website. You can set title, tagline, and all that we are going to see in previous tutorials. So thank you for watching videos. Subscribe us on YouTube.